Hey, Dave. I hate to ask you to do it again, but I started a new recording here, and just for my benefit, I can pick and choose what video to upload here. So, no, one more time here, give a rundown of what you're using as your new antenna, and also what you're using as your audio goes.
Okay, no problem. So we can test out 4K as well. So this is a 6K KD8 YVC, and this is using Thetis only audio on 6K on the new 160 meter loop up about 50 to 60 feet and fed with ladder line to the shack. 6K KD8 YVC.
Okay, very nice. Okay, this time I will reduce my receive filter to 4K so you can hear it as well. So come back with 4K.
Okay, KD8 YVC. This is again transmitting this time at 4K, and we did make a couple adjustments on the EQ. So testing the 4K and hoping it sounds okay. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I want to do another new video with the Ozzy Osbourne skin up because it looks so nice. Getting a little bit of sick of snow, so you're getting the Ozzy Osbourne skin.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know how you can do that with the snow outside and then come and look at snow all night on your on Thetis there.
Yeah, I stepped outside for a little bit. Jeff got me curious about what it's doing out there, and when the snow, and I think I had enough of it.
Oh, is it snowing again in your way?
No, it tapered off. I think it's done for the evening. And Jeff, come on in there with your new profile you're working on. I guess he scooted away there.
Well, you said you was eating. You made me kind of hungry, so I went and got a little bit of Doritos on a plate.
Don't be crunched while you're trying to talk. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm done eating now. I don't get any. Thank God for the spit guard here.
Right. Yeah, I won't eat none. I'll make sure you guys get to talking before I eat any. So I still sound halfway decent.
No, you still sound very good. So what'd you do? What adjustments you made on this profile versus what you were talking on?
This is actually the 6K profile that me and you worked on the night you did the recordings. Then I come back in the next day and I calmed it down, and then I sent it to you. You said, well, that sounds good, but it's plain. And then I got to listening. So I added back to it, but not quite as much. Not too much, but I added more bottom in it. That's what I did. It's the same one me and you tinkered with, and I finally got down to where I liked it, and that's where it is now.
Okay, good. I can definitely hear everything because right now at one point you were flashed 30 over, and that's on the stingy max bin S meter. So I hear everything on there. Now you got that dialed in great, like you were telling and Dave about the 6K, how it can sound kind of harsh. You can start rolling that off on high frequencies. Now you got a very good blend. It's very pleasant to listen to. Very easy to listen to. Nothing's harsh.
Nice. So maybe we can try a 40 up there. So I was running low power. And yeah, Dave, I was looking again when you was talking on 6. You still need to cut 5 by 2 dBs and cut 6 by 3 and just try it. And I think you'll really like the difference. Just don't forget where you had it. But UAKP, when he comes back in after he does that, it'll be really, really nice then.
On the 6K, testing 1, 2. Can you tell the difference?
Yes, I can. Give us a Sally went sliding down the seashore on her skateboard.
Okay, Sally went sliding down the seashore on her skateboard. KD8YVC.
Man, KPS, that sounds as good as the 4K now.
Yeah, I think it's the best so far. Yeah, I know I did the other recordings on it, but I think I'll just post up this. But yeah, you're getting the best of the best so far.
A lot of times I put it on Spectrum when everybody's talking and just sit and watch and then you get to know, you can see. And I'll tell you what, if you want to smooth up anything, and Doug, I have to look. He sent me to a website, guy's website, and he goes into audio and he tells you about different frequencies. And that 2500, if you drop it by 2 or 3 dB, it really smooths it out.
Yeah, that's nice. People are into this. They can catch a lot of crosstalk. Like people listen to Doug's videos, his live streams, and everything. A lot of those guys talk about audio. Anybody getting into ESSB, like he was talking on his website for the new people in there. A lot of great advice. Just kick back and listen to what everybody's talking about.
Right. Because there is a lot of people that want to know about it, but just don't know how to do it. So yeah, I think that's going to be a big hit.
Yeah, I haven't went to his website yet. I need to. So is there So there's videos on there and stuff like that. I know there's audio profiles, but there's videos of like Doug talking and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, there's videos of me, Art, and a couple other people, and Doug that's put videos on there so far. I don't know if any's been added in the last day or so or not.
I just hope one day Art can get something he can work on 160 here. I'd love to hear him come down here.
I've been trying to talk him into a zapper.
Well, talk a little bit harder.
I'm trying.
What's he have up now? He's got a ladder line fed. Is it a doublet, a smaller doublet, or something like that?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's a 135-foot doublet.
AC3 KP. All right, I'll stop this recording, and then if there's anything else you want to have on the recording here, now's your time to do it.
Hey, Ken, can we do the 4K here before you shut it down one more time, since I made that adjustment, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir. Okay, switching over to my receive photo will be a 4K. Come on back.
Okay, KD8YVC, just testing 4K out one more time since we made a couple adjustments there. Testing running about 550 watts into the full wave loop. KD8YVC.
Okay, here's a replay.
KD8YVC, just testing 4K out one more time since we made a couple adjustments there. Testing running about 550 watts into the full wave loop. KD8YVC.
Okay, come on back, and then I'll do a recording of you at 6K.
Okay, this is back at 6K, full wave loop, 560 watts roughly, and transmitting at 6K with Thetis only processing.
Okay, here we go.
6K, full wave loop, 560 watts roughly, and transmitting at 6K with Thetis only processing. Oh yeah, perfect. or perfect in from what I'm hearing. Sounds good.
And then I want to do a record playback of you there, Jeff. Then I'll wrap this up. So come on back and do the playback of you.
What was that?
Said I'll wrap this up, but before I go, I want to do a recording playback of you.
Okay, when do you want me to start? You want me to start now?
You can start right now.
All right, this is KB3WBX on the Apache Lab 7000 DLE, running the 103 Norman microphone, running a little bit of digital audio and about 1100 watts. So we hope you like the audio. This is KB3WBX on the Apache Lab 7000 DLE, running the 103 Norman microphone, running a little bit of digital audio and about 1100 watts. So we hope you like the audio.
And we sure do.
Man, my wife got excited and chased me around the table while I was playing.
That's funny as hell.
Hey, I want to try something. Listen to this, guys. I'm going to play a playback through my microphone back over the air. So 3 times. This is going to be, I always wanted to try this. KP, you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, give me 1 second. Get ready. Here we go. All right, I'm going to do a little recording, 6K profile. This is KB3WBX. We're running the Norman 103 microphone. We're running the Behringer wing rack. We're running the AL82 amplifier. And we're right now running a loop. So I hope everybody likes the audio. KB3WBX.
Okay, wait a minute. So explain that. What were you doing there?
I went to Doug's site. That's the one I put on for Doug's site. I downloaded that back to my desktop. And then I pushed my mic over in the middle, turned it back on, and played it back through my microphone again to you.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Yeah, I could tell. I could hear the room sound, but it sounded remarkably good. But yeah, you can hear the room, the audio bouncing off the walls in the room. But oh no, it turned out pretty good. I'm just recording it, so you'll hear it in this video. It's pretty funny.
I thought you stopped recording, but okay.
I gotta have a little bit of fun.
I always have the... I can always turn up a little bit of room noise in here if I have to make it, if it sounds that good.
No, you're good the way you are.
Yeah, Jeff, if we had a few, it would sound really good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, there we go. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording. AC3KP.